What is your name?
I am 7.
What is your school name?
Today school.
Which class are you studying?
I am studying.
What is our national bird?
Peacock.
What is our national fruit?
Mango.
What is our national river?
Granati.
What is our national flower?
Tortoise.
Good boy. What is our national animal?
Ginger tiger.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పు.
Ginger tiger.
బెంగాల్ టైగరా? Where is your eyes? Where is your nose? Where is your mouth? Where is your teeth? Where is your tongue? Where is your ears? Ears. Where is your ears? Where is your hair? Where is your hands? Where is your legs? Where is your stomach? Johnny.